Do you want to clear that stubborn acne on your face using just one product? Are you tired of seeing that stubborn acne on your face? Then this video is just for you. Do not go anywhere. Hello and welcome to this channel. My name is Stamble and I'm so honored to be here. I want to say a big thank you to all of you that took a time to subscribe to my channel. You guys are doing amazing. Thank you so much. But please, it doesn't stop there. Keep on subscribing, turn on post notification, like this video, and do share this video. Okay, to this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about a particular product that will help to clear your acne. Not just clear your acne, it will help to do other amazing things. For example, clear hyperpigmentation. Guys, don't sleep on this. Watch this video till the end. Now this particular product is called RETIN A soap, which also has another variety called RETIN A soap 24K. Now there's a difference between these two soaps. I don't know if you know that already, but one thing that is so sure about these two soaps is that they will both clear your acne, right? They will both help with your wrinkles. They are both formulated with 0.5 milligram tretinoin, which can also be called retin. Okay, so they will help to exfoliate your skin, stimulate your skin, balance your skin, make everything look so good, make your skin look so flawless. No acne, no acne drama, bad spots on the skin. You get what I mean? That is what they will both do to your skin, right? But one of the soap will do a much more better job. The one that you will see that will do a much more better job is the RETIN A soap 24K. That one will not just only clear acne from your face or help you with wrinkles, help to exfoliate your skin, but it will also help you to brighten your skin. It will help with hyperpigmentation on your skin. So that is what makes that one more better than RETIN A soap, like the ordinary RETIN A soap. That's what I mean. That's the differences. Now that we're done with the differences, let's talk about how you can best use this soap so that you don't come and mix me and be like, damn, well, this soap is doing this to me, this soap is doing that to me, I don't like it, I don't want it anymore, I want to throw it away. This is what you need to do. So calm down, sis. I'm going to tell you how to use it properly so you don't have any drama, okay? The first thing you need to notice is this. If you want to use this soap, please follow closely. If you want to use this soap, when you're in your bathroom, use a mouth soap, right? Use a mouth soap or a mouth cleanser first to wash your face. Then rinse your face with water. Then the next thing you need to do is to wet that particular RETIN A soap 24K or RETIN A soap, the ordinary one, anyone you choose to go for, right? Wet it with water. Then that water mixed with the soap, the mask it gives to you, like the foamy consistency it gives to you, mask it on your face, right? Leave it for like 1 to 2 minutes. It should not be more than that. It should not be more than that. Don't let it stay on your face for like 15 minutes or 30 minutes, guys. Don't do that because this soap is a treatment soap. I repeat, this soap is a treatment soap. It's not a particular soap that you buy and be using it to have your bath every day. Nah. It is a treatment soap, guys. If you don't have acne on your body, if you don't have hyperpigmentation on your body, all these skin dramas, and you're using it every day to have your bath like normal soap, I think you should readjust, like think twice about it. It's a treatment soap. Like doctors recommend it basically to treat skin issues. Do you guys understand what I'm trying to say? So leave it for like 1 to 2 minutes. Then after that, wash it away. Immediately after that, you patch your face dry and all that. Then please, guys, don't just leave your face like that. Look for hydrating products like a toner, a serum, a moisturizer. I would have said you should add your sunscreen to your routine, but then I would advise that you use the soap at night. Either of the two, either the RETIN A soap, the ordinary one, or the one with 24K. Use it at night, guys. Use it at night. Don't use it during the day because, yes, if you're using during the day, you might have to use your sunscreen, but I would advise that you incorporate it at night. The active product in it is tretinoin, guys. You need to take it easy, especially for those of you that have sensitive skin. Take it easy on your skin. Don't be too harsh on your skin because it can be very harsh on the skin, actually. Take note of that. It's very important. Use it at night. Make sure you have your moisturizer, your toner, your serum. Make sure everywhere is hydrated, your face, because this soap is going to definitely dry your skin. It's going to dry your face like, oh my goodness. It will dry your face. You need a lot of hydrating products to be used on your skin after you finish using this soap. So something that you might need to know before you get this soap is that the price, I'm not sure. I think some people sell it for 3,000, some people sell it for 4,000, some people sell it for 2,500, depending on where you're buying it. But please endeavor to buy the original one, do not buy the fake one. For now, I don't know how to identify the fake from the original. I will go and make my own research. That's if there's even fake. I don't know yet, but they might be fake, they might be counterpart. So please make sure that you go to a very good store to get it, get the original one. Try to get the original one, okay? Then note that some people might react to it. It's always better to do a patch test at the back of your neck. Here, this area, do a patch test before you apply it on your face, because your face is more sensitive than your body. Do a patch test. Some people might not, some people's skin might not like retinol, so do a patch test before you use it. I beg of you. You using it 3 times in a week. What did I say? 3 times in a week, guys. Use this soap 3 times in a week. Why? Because it has tretinoin. If your skin can tolerate it, it's okay. You can decide to use it every day. You can even decide to use it twice in a day. If your skin can tolerate it, no wahala. But if you know that you have a sensitive skin and you don't want anything that's going to affect your skin, rather play safe than to say sorry to yourself. Use it 3 times in a week. Gradual process. With that, you generally see it, take it one step at a time. Don't say because I have acne, I want the acne to go fast, then you are now someone that has sensitive skin, you can start using it anyhow, morning and night, sagaban, morning and night. You take it easy on yourself. It will definitely go away. So just take it one step at a time, and please use hydrating products. If you want to use it during the day, by force, by fire, if you want to use it during the day and you really, really want to use it during the day, please make sure to use sunscreen. It's very, very important to use your sunscreen, okay? That is all I have for you guys for now. Many more to come. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, turn on post notification, and please do share this video. I love you so much. See ya.